Welcome to our journey into the buzzing world of bees. Did you know that these tiny creatures play a crucial role in our ecosystem, from pollinating flowers to producing delicious honey? Get ready to be amazed as we uncover fascinating facts about bees and their incredible homes. Join us as we explore the intricate workings of the beehive and discover the secrets of these remarkable insects. Let's dive in and uncover the hidden wonders of the bee world together. Bees are incredible pollinators, responsible for pollinating around 75% of the world's flowering plants, including many fruits, vegetables, and nuts. Within a hive, there are three types of bees: the queen, drones, and workers. Each plays a special role in the hive's functioning, from reproduction to foraging and hive maintenance. Honeybees have a unique way of communicating with each other, known as the waggle dance. They perform the intricate dance to indicate the direction and distance of food sources to each other. Bees are master architects. They build their honeycombs using hexagonal cells, which are the most efficient shape for storing honey and raising brood. Bees are expert thermogenerators. They maintain the temperature inside the hive at a constant level by either fanning their wings to cool it down or clustering together to generate heat in colder weather. To create a new queen bee, workers feed a selected larva royal jelly, a special secretion produced by the glands in their heads. This nutrient-rich substance triggers the development of queen characteristics. When a honeybee stings, it's a lethal act. Its stinger is barbed and gets embedded, so when it attempts to extract its stinger, it pulls its venom sac, which essentially disembowels the bee, leading to its demise. Bees live approximately 6 weeks. It takes about 12 bees their entire lives to produce a single teaspoon of honey. They collect nectar from flowers, then return to the hive where it's processed into honey and stored for food. Bee colonies are incredibly organized societies. They have strict hierarchies, division of labor, and intricate communication systems to ensure the survival of the hive. Bees are essential for maintaining biodiversity and supporting global food production. Without bees, many crops would struggle to reproduce, leading to food shortages and ecosystem collapse. A beehive is a home of a colony of bees. It's typically made up of beeswax combs arranged vertically within a protective structure, such as a hollow tree or a man-made hive box. The honeycomb structure inside the hive consists of hexagonal cells made from beeswax. These cells serve multiple purposes, including storing honey, pollen, and housing developing bee larvae. Each cell in the honeycomb has a specific function. Worker bees use the cells to store honey and pollen, while queen bees lay their eggs in individual cells where developing larvae are housed and fed until they emerge as adult bees. Bees communicate with each other through a combination of pheromones, body language, and the famous waggle dance. Worker bees are females. They collect nectar from flowers and bring it back to the hive, where they convert it into honey by regurgitating and processing it. Honey serves as the primary food source for the colony, providing energy and nutrients. They defend their hive vigorously against intruders, such as predators and other insects. They may sting to protect their home, sacrificing their lives in the process. Worker bees care for the developing brood and the queen bee, feeding them royal jelly and other nutrient-rich substances. They also clean and maintain the hive, removing debris and dead bees to keep it clean and hygienic. Bees are highly protective of their hive and will defend it vigorously against intruders. When threatened, they release alarm pheromones to alert other bees and may sting to protect their home. Swarming is a natural reproductive behavior of honeybee colonies. When a hive becomes overcrowded, the queen and a large portion of the worker bees will leave the hive in search of a new home. Swarms are typically docile and temporary, as they are focused on finding a new nesting site. Young worker bees take orientation flights outside the hive to familiarize themselves with the surrounding area. These flights help them learn landmarks and navigate back to the hive after foraging expeditions. Bee behavior can vary depending on the season and environmental conditions. For example, bees may become more defensive during times of scarcity, such as winter when food sources are limited. Beekeeping, also known as apiculture. Apiculture is from Latin, api means bee, is the practice of maintaining honeybee colonies for the purpose of harvesting honey, beeswax, and other bee products. Beekeepers provide hives with suitable housing, manage colony health, and harvest honey while ensuring the well-being of the bees. It's an ancient practice with modern techniques aimed at supporting bee populations and agricultural pollination. In conclusion, bees play a vital role in our world, from pollinating crops to sustaining ecosystems. However, they face numerous threats that endanger their populations and, by extension, our food supply and environment. By raising awareness, supporting sustainable practices, and taking action to protect bee habitats, we can all continue to ensure the survival of these remarkable creatures. Let's work together to safeguard the future of bees and the invaluable services they provide to humanity and the planet. Remember, the fate of the bees is intertwined with our own, and by protecting them, we protect ourselves.